One of the key steps in making accurate cuts is remembering the measurement once you get to the saw to make the cut. Now, if you don't want to carry on a notepad, here's a simple solution that allows you to write the dimensions right on your tape measure. Start by peeling the stick-on decal from the side of the tape measure. Then clean the surface well to remove all the adhesive. That's really important. You want to get all the adhesive off. Then take some 120 grit sandpaper and roughen the surface. Just scrub it with the sandpaper so you have a rough surface so that the pencil has something to bite into. What you end up with is this, a tape measure with the decal removed and a surface that allows you to write down the dimension right on there. There you go. How cool is that? So now you know, you don't have to worry about trying to remember it. You get to the saw, you read it right off the tape measure, and you make your cut. And the other great thing is, after you've made your cut, you can erase it, comes right off, and you're ready for the next measurement.
Simple Solutions is brought to you by Titebond, the Pro's Advantage.